Namaste children. In this video, you are going to learn about 5 features. What are they? What is a map? What are the uses of map? Why should we prefer a map rather than a globe? What is an atlas? And what are signs and symbols? So, are you ready to learn about these 5 features? Then watch this video. Dear children, in this video you will learn about maps and their uses. Maps are drawings of any place on the earth's surface. Even though our earth is like a sphere, maps are usually drawn on a flat surface like paper or board. Did you know that maps can be made of any size? Maps may show a large area such as continents, whole world, country, city, or a village. Maps show us the information about continents, whole world, country, city, or a village. But you must remember that the area shown on the map is much smaller than the actual area they represent. I am repeating. The area shown on the map is much smaller than the actual area they represent. This is why we cannot say the area is very accurate. The various features that you see on physical and political maps are marked with the help of signs and symbols. What are these? Every map has a key in one corner to explain what these signs and symbols mean. Next time if you observe a map, please look about that symbols and signs. They will be very interesting. Now, atlas. What is an atlas? Do you know what an atlas is? A book of maps is called an atlas. What is an atlas? A book of maps is called an atlas. You can locate any place with the help of maps. You can locate any places with the help of these maps. Maps are very useful for everyone. Maps are very useful for everyone. Like they provide valuable information to people like students, tourists, and government officials also. These maps are very handy. That means they can be rolled, folded, and can be carried to any place as it does not occupy much place. So, next time when you are planning to visit a place, you can carry a map of that place so that it will help you to find a way round. I hope everyone understood. Let's recapitulate whatever we have discussed up to now. Maps are usually drawn on flat surfaces like paper or board. Though the earth is in a spherical shape, maps are drawn on flat surfaces like paper or board. Maps are the drawings of any place on the earth's surface. Maps may show a large area such as whole earth or a small part of it like a village, cities, etc. Even your school. So these maps provide valuable information to people like students, tourists and government officials also. And we discussed about an atlas. A book of maps is called an atlas. Hope everyone understood. Now I am going to give you an activity based on these maps. You have to draw a map of your school.